So this was a requested video, Bankai or domain expansion. While both techniques are fundamentally different, pareho sila na parang ito yung best technique na nag-exist dun sa world nila. Yung domain expansion kasi, location siya technically. Like, iniiba mo yung landscape para magkaroon ng isang effect. May dalawang types to, yung open at saka yung close. Yung open katulad nung kay Sukuna and yung close katulad nung kay Gojo. It still does fundamentally the same thing. Pagka nandito ka sa lugar na to, may attack or may effect na nangyayari sa'yo. While yung Bankai naman is the second release of their Zanpakuto. When it comes to the rules and abilities naman ng Bankai, sobrang daming variety. Kasi merong mga Bankai na kinda acts like domain expansions, tapos meron ding mga Bankai na literally full-on transformation sila. Like merong mga Bankai that changes the properties of the surrounding environment, and meron ding mga Bankai na literally nagkakaroon lang sila ng mga bagong set ng attacks. And para sa akin, Bankai is actually better. And it's because of one thing. Para sa akin kasi generally mas maraming limitations yung mga domain expansions in general. Like sure, merong mga domain expansions na hindi as limiting katulad ng ibang Bankai, pero in general kasi having this one location na pwedeng sirain or a location na pwedeng alisan is already a limitation on its own. Not to mention, kung wala kang cursed energy, some domain expansions actually won't work on you. Meanwhile, sa Bankai, may mga literal na transformations na kahit sino ka tatamaan ka pa rin itong Bankai na to. Like at the end of the day, I like both, pero I just think in terms of versatility, use cases, ganyan, mas marami lang for Bankai. Nice.